we're going to talk about the next stage of this, and this is running into the form. And you'll see this like when we do ward off left, right, and then some of the movements, right? So in this one here, what happens is we're going to do the same thing. So this time I'm going to be in a front stance, okay, gong bu, front stance, just so you know. And as I do that, as I'm in a front stance, what happens is, we're going to get in the front stance. As Julie stands here, as I do this, she does the same thing. Now she's going to just kind of like point right through me in Pung, and I'm just going to press on her like this. And again, it's not hard. I'm just pushing enough to where I feel here begin to work. Right, so then she'll do the same thing. So you'll notice what I do is I come into a Pung posture. She puts her hands on my forearms, and then as she presses, I just simply relax. I'm kind of exaggerating it so the camera can see. But that's the idea. You notice what I'm doing is kind of pointing at the wall behind me with my fingers, behind her with my fingers, and letting her push. And the harder she pushes, the more I relax. Right, it's just like that. So that's the idea. So that, and then what happens is we go back and forth, and then she does that nice. She's in a nice Pung. She points at the wall behind me, right through me. Don't push back, just simply relax. And then just push like that. So this time it's in a front stance, and then we switch feet. And I do the same thing again. And again, I'm not pushing hard. I'm not trying to see what she can take, right? That's not the idea. That would, if I push hard, what will happen is she'll revert to lifetime habits. But what I want her to do is to develop that skill of relaxing her hips and her legs and simply feeling the connection between her center of gravity, the dantian, and her lower abdomen and the center of the earth through K1, the ball of the foot. And then she'll do the same thing with me. And she just pushes until she begins to feel me working the root. And that's the idea. Okay, thank you.